How to check if a float value is a whole number. I am trying to find the largest cube root that is a whole number, that is less than 12,000. I am not sure how to check if it is a whole number or not though. I could convert it to a string then use indexing to check the end values and see whether they are 0 or not. That seems rather cumbersome though. Is there a simpler way?
To check if a float value is a whole number, use the float.is_integer method. The method was added to the float type in Python 2.6. Take into account that in Python 2, 1/3 is 0, float division for integer operands, and that floating point arithmetic can be imprecise. A float is an approximation using binary fractions, not a precise real number. But adjusting your loop a little, this gives which means that anything over 3 cubed, including 10648, was missed out due to the aforementioned imprecision. You'd have to check for numbers close to the whole number instead, or not use float to find your number. Like rounding down the cube root of 12,000. If you are using Python 3.5 or newer, you can use the math.isClose function to see if a floating point value is within a configurable margin. For older versions, the naive implementation of that function, skipping error checking and ignoring infinity and none, as mentioned in PEP 485.
You could use this.
You can use a modulo operation for that.
You don't need to loop or to check anything. Just take a cube root of 12,000 and round it down.
If you want to support the channel, please